In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of you. This topic is for the class 5th and students. Today we are going to deal with the 10th chapter, that is volcanoes, earthquakes and tidal waves. Students, in this topic we are going to read the natural disasters. Natural disasters, that's natural calamities that come to the lives of human beings. Students, in this topic, in this chapter we are going to read about volcanoes, earthquakes and tidal waves. Students, as we all know that the solar system, it is a wonderful place to live. The earth is the only planet on which life is possible, and that's why the earth is called as blue-green planet. Students, the earth has food, water and air, so that is why life is possible here. So students, overall the beauty of the earth lets humans to live peacefully on the earth. But students, the natural disasters or the natural calamities such as volcanoes, earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, also droughts, these are the natural disasters that cause destruction. They cause the destruction that is actually unexpected. For example, students, you people might be remembering the floods of 2014. Those floods caused a lot of destruction, and those were actually unexpected. So these things we call as disasters. We call them natural disasters or natural calamities, and we can't control them from coming. Students, these disasters cause a lot of destruction to life and also the property of the people or the property of the earth. Students, we can't stop these natural disasters from coming, but we can take steps so that we can be safe from these problems. That is, if an earthquake comes, we can adapt to the measures from preventing ourselves from the huge damage. Now students, the first natural disaster over your book is volcano, a problem for mankind. Students, as we all know that the earth is divided into 3 portions, that is crust, mantle and core. And students, while moving deep inside the earth, that's moving towards core, the temperature of the earth goes on increasing, this goes on rising. And here in this core, the temperature of the earth is very much high. Students, the temperature is very high, and this core contains rocks that are present in the molten form. Students, volcanoes are the cracks in the earth's crust, and through these openings, here you can see this molten rock that's present in the core of the earth, it comes out. So students, what comes out from these volcanoes? That is molten rock or gases and ash comes out. And this molten rock and these dangerous gases, they separate over the surface of earth. Students, this molten material that is present inside the earth's surface, that is called as magma. But when this magma flows on the surface of earth, it is then called as lava. Students, the magma and lava is one and the same thing, but magma is the molten material that is present inside the earth. But the moment it comes on the surface of earth, it is called as lava. Students, the volcanoes are usually found in the form of conical mountains. Like you can check on your book, and also you can check on the internet the different images of volcanoes. Students, there is lots of pressure present inside the surface of Earth, and because of this pressure forces the magma to come on the surface of Earth. Students, this magma or the molten rock comes out through a vertical tunnel that is called as vent. It flows out through the crater and forms on the surface lava. So, because of the pressure inside the earth, this molten rock is forced to come over the surface of water, and it's called as lava, and this lava flows out through the vertical tunnel that is called as vent. It flows through the crater as lava. Students, on the surface of earth, this lava cools and it gets converted into solid form, or we say it solidifies. When it solidifies on the surface of earth, it forms a rock. Students, because of the nature of the eruption, volcanoes have been divided into 3 types. These 3 types are: number first, active volcano; number second, dormant volcano; and number third, extinct volcano. These 3 types of volcano we will read in our next topic.